Hello and welcome to Oscar Orangutan, and right there he is hiding underneath that burlap bag, and he is a cute little guy, you must admit that. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes, and here we go. Oscar Orangutan has 236 pounds of banana. Now, he gave 34% of the bananas to his best friend, Pinky Tuscadero. Hey, we happen to know him. That's Pinky Tuscadero, the calculating orangutan. And I didn't know it was his best friend, but I guess so, right? Hey, all right, let's move on. Oscar Orangutan gave blank pounds of bananas to his best friend, Pinky Tuscadero. All righty, so here's what we got happening. Now, Oscar here gave 34% of, and of means times, right? So of the bananas, this is the amount of bananas, the 236 pounds, right? So he gave 34% times the 236. Now, you can't multiply percent, but what you can do is multiply a decimal. So we're going to convert this percent into a decimal. All right, so let's go ahead and just write this. We've got 34%, right? Now, percent means out of 100. So I could rewrite this as 34 out of 100, right? Because this means 34 out of 100, and this is 34 out of 100. Fantastic. Then I can convert that into a decimal, because I know that if the decimal point's here, I've got my tenths place and then my hundredths place, and then this 4 would have to be in the hundredths place because it's 34 100ths, right? So let's go ahead and plug that in. So we've got the 4 here and the 3 here, and bam, we're going to take the 0.34 and multiply it by the 236. Let's go ahead and get started doing that right now. So I've got 236, and I'm going to multiply that by 0.34. Bam, perfect. Let's get started doing that. So I'm going to take this and go 4 times 6 is going to give me 24. I'm going to drop my 4 and carry my 2 right there. Then I've got 4 times 3, which is 12, plus this 2 is going to give you 14. I'm going to drop a 4 and carry the 1. Then I've got 4 times 2, which is 8, plus this 1 here is going to give you 9. I'm going to drop that 9, and then I'm going to drop a 0 and put an X in it, because this 3 is now in the tenths column, and I got to hold the place value for the hundredths column, and I did that right there. Superb. Now let's move on. 3 times 6 is going to give you 18. I'm going to drop my 8, carry my 1. Then I've got 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1 is going to give you 10. So I'm going to drop my 0 and carry my 1. And now I've got 3 times 2, which is 6, plus this 1 here is going to give you big bad 7. Drop that 7, and now all I have to do is add these bad boys together, and here we go. 4 and 0 is going to give you 4, so drop that 4. And then you've got 4 plus 8, which is going to give you 12, so you're going to drop your 2 and carry your 1. And then you've got 1 plus 9 is going to give you 10, so you're going to drop your 0 and carry your 1, and 1 plus 7 is going to give you 8. Lovely. All I have left to do is to count my loop-a-doops, right? I got 1 loop-a-doop, 2 loop-a-doop, 1 loop-a-doop, 2 loop-a-doop. My decimal's going to go right there. Plug that decimal in, and bam, there you have it, my friends. Your answer, 80.24. So what does that mean? That means right here, we're going to plug in 80.24. Let's make that decimal point nice and big. And then we're going to go ahead and box that as well, and just center it a little bit better. So bear with me. There we go. Excellent, excellent. All right, so in answer to the question, Oscar Orangutan gave 80.24 pounds of bananas to his best friend, Pinky Tuscadero. And you gotta love that, my friends. Hey, what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and back this video up to when I first started converting this percent into a decimal. And then you're going to play a little pause and copy. Play a little pause and copy until you've done the entire problem side by side with me, my friends, because that is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.